Using a 5-volt power supply because the Arduino by itself cannot supply enough power, enough amperage for standard size servo. And Arduino Uno and a servo shield. So there's only two real components to this: a standard servo and ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor isn't always consistent, and I'm not sure why. Maybe it needs to be mounted higher. So occasionally it will read 0, and then Snoopy gets up here and it just dies. So I got to figure that out. I had to modify Snoopy a bit. Put a longer piece of wood back here so that it could slide back down without falling back over backwards. And I had to extend the front foot a bit because it would fall over on its nose. And also played with the weights a little bit by putting this screw here and a coin on the front. I messed up my board here, mounting it to this hinge by countersinking some screws in here. And I sanded this, and that was a mistake. This is actually a little rough, and it gives a little traction for the feet. And so you'll see it slides through the hair because it's so smooth. So I really need to replace this board and just glue it or screw it from the bottom to the hinge. The hinge has got a little slop and play in it, and that's not good. That alters the walking characteristics. So you'll see it walks a little differently up here on this half than it does on this half. And so I had to play a lot with the parameters of the Snoopy and the board, and I have to play with the angle. And 1 degree angle change can make a lot of difference in the performance of this dynamic walking toy.